This old guy DIY video has to do with declaring mission accomplished. It's what I've learned in the last week. A Force by Mercury Marine is more like a Chrysler motor than a Mercury motor. But if you get a motor on an 18-foot pontoon that will only go 6 miles per hour, smokes like a fiend, rattles like hell, and burns gas like you were dumping it in the lake, you may well have the wrong spark plugs and a torn membrane in your fuel pump. So I replaced the spark plugs first. That took me from 6 miles an hour to 12 temporarily, then it dropped down to 8. When I put in the new fuel pump rebuild kit a few minutes ago, I took this thing on the lake in the wind, and it's going 16 and 17. The motor sounds nice and easy, and it's not hunting. It actually sounds like it should do what it's supposed to do. So, moral of the story is, if it smokes, lacks power, and when you pump the bulb, you don't feel resistance at any point, you may well have a torn membrane in the fuel pump. Basically, you're just dumping fuel on top of the pistons. The thing is always running too rich, and it's not happy. So, I hope this helps you. If you want to see more detail, watch my other videos on this Force outboard, and have a great day.